My name is Jonah. I'm from Park and Rec Department. I'm teaching you how to make a face mask. It will help you and your loved ones to protect from not getting any virus. I have the template. This is for men, this is for women. But for kids, you can just cut down at least 1 inch from the pattern. And then you can check on that on the PDF on our website. And then all you need is, of course, number one, fabric. If you have, you can go out because of a quarantine, old t-shirt, old pants, you can use it. But if you can go out, go ahead. And then we're just using elastic. Is right now we're running out of elastic from the store, so I'm using the hairband from Dollar Store, and it's always available. It's only $1. Or you can use the shoelace from the Dollar Store. If you don't like putting on the ear, you can wrap it around your head using the shoelace from the Dollar Store also. We need fabric, scissor of course, and we'll go from there. With number one, we have the fabric. We have to trace it on our first fabric. We need kind of two fabric, or if you want to use lining, different color. If not, we can use the same thing. We have to trace it up for me to make it easier. This is the main one, so it always two cuts. And then we're gonna do the lining. So, two fabric, the front and the back. The way how we sew it, both of those inside part of the fabric, outside. Make sure you align it. It helps us with the pin. We pin it together and we start sewing it. We're sewing only the hem inside 1/4 inch. And now we start sewing it. Of course, you need to leave it back to close it. Remember, keep it 1/4 inch. Just slowly. Oh, yeah. With the lining, we have to cut it in at least 1/2 inch. Same thing. Two fabrics. You're gonna sew them together. And you put a little bit of snatch. Cut it a little bit. At least 1 inch, 1.5 inch apart. Just like that. Even the lining part. Put them together. Connect the top one and this one. Both of those excess fabric at the outside. Align it properly. Make sure line to line. With the help of safety pin. It's a big help. Pin it that way. So when you're sewing it, it doesn't move. Stay on the fabric. See the 1/2 inch? There you go. On same side too. And then to make it more look professional, before we start sewing it on the side, we have to sew this one, the lining, facing the mark, the one with the notch. And then with the main lining, with the main fabric, we have to fold it backward, just to keep the fabric not making a shredding on the end. Just only 1/4 inch as well. And then now we start sewing it. After we sew it, both ends, all of the ends of it, and then now we start sewing here on the main part. Also again, 1/4 inch from the fabric. We're hemming it for 1/4 inch. And then we'll do the same thing to the chin part. Sew it also 1/4 inch, hemming it. Bring it over the inside. Here's your face mask. If you have iron, much better, so you can iron on the side, but it's okay if you don't. Just use your hand. And this is the fun part. We have to put the elastic. That's why I said, cut into half the lining from the main fabric. Put the elastic. Fold it nicely. And then we have another hairband. We'll put on the other side since we have this one, and then go on the other side. Ta-da! And here is our face mask. Cut windows. Again, you can even use your hand or using the regular needle if you don't have the sewing machine. Thank you for watching. Make your own. Have fun making your own face mask.